Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. India's Hockey World Cup campaign has suffered a major setback after a 4-2 defeat to England in their second Pool D match. India came into this game with plenty of expectations, but England started the match with attacking intent. In the 13th minute, Nicholas Banjarak found the net to give England an early 1-0 lead. However, India responded brilliantly. Just 3 minutes later, captain Harmanpreet Singh stepped up and scored the equalizer in the 16th minute. India continued to build pressure, and their efforts were rewarded again in the 24th minute when Dilpreet Singh scored to put India ahead. India went into the second half with a 2-1 advantage, and fans were hoping the team could hold on to the lead and secure an important victory. But England had other plans. Just a few minutes later, Croft found the net in the 42nd minute, giving England a 3-2 lead. India tried to fight back, but England continued to dominate the second half and eventually added another goal to complete a 4-2 victory. This result means England have secured their place in the next round, while India's qualification hopes now depend on their final Pool D match.